So today I got a box of parts in for my '01 Jeep Wrangler, and we're going to go ahead and install them and see how they look. So starting off with is a replacement cap for the gas bezel here. Secondly, which I'm not doing right now, is a new door handle. I got a new mirror or set of mirrors. Got a new lens for the front directional. And I believe lastly is a new shorty antenna. Not a big fan of the tall ones, so I decided to replace that. This is not going to be a how-to video. This is just a before and after. So I'm going to replace those and then be back with you to show you how they came out. So here's a look at the finished products. So it just cleans it up a bit, makes it look more presentable. So for not even owning this Jeep for a week yet, I think it's come a decent amount as far as looking cleaner. I'm also going to be getting the bit of rust that's on the frame corrected next week. And then the 3¼ inch lift kit goes in. So that'll be a separate video. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.